Are we there yet? I'm starving.
Yep, almost there.
What's going on? Looks like an apocalypse.
Don't worry, it's just a traffic jam.
Are you sure?
No! Tornado!
What? Let's get out of here!
No, we must stay in the car.
Is it safe?
No, but it's even more dangerous outside. Let's leave the car running to make sure the airbag would work properly. You need to cover your head. Here, take the blanket.
Thanks, but what about you?
I'll use my coat. Lean against the walls and freeze.
Whoa! Here we go!
I've never been inside a tornado before. Have you?
Ah!
Whoa! Was that a cow?
Yeah! Poor thing!
Are you okay?
I guess so.
We're so lucky! Surviving this kind of adventure is like winning a lottery.
Yeah. But I'm still hungry. Whoa! Have you ever seen anything like this? No! We need to get out of here. Now! Look out! Ah! Come on! We need to get to a safe space. What are we going to do? Ah! We need to go now! We need to hurry up. Please! We have to get out of here!
Well, what a wonderful day.
Have you ever seen anything like this? Look out! Ah! We need to get out of here. Now!
I'm doing my best.
Ah!
Ugh. You okay? I didn't break a single bone. Let's try to survive. Oh no, I'm not ready to give up yet.
We need to get to a safe space.
Hold on, I have a plan B. Oh no, plan B is canceled. This is it.
Look out!
Ah!
We need to get out of here.
Don't worry, let's just find something to break the glass. All right, let's give it a try. Take a deep breath, open the door, and swim up.
Whoa! Here we go!
Breathe deeper. It's all over. Oh, we're so lucky.
We made it.
Whoa! I've never seen anything like this.
Just try and stay afloat. We'll be with you soon.
You need to hurry. That tornado's getting closer.
We'll be as quick as we can.
I'm really struggling here. I'm plotting a course back home.
Copy that. We have your location.
It's a good thing I don't get seasick. Things are about to get bumpy. Whoa! That was close. Gotta keep going. Wow, I can't believe I made it.
Are you okay?
A little shaken up, but I'm still here.
Glad to hear it. That was a close call.
I think I might have a bigger problem. Tsunami!
Made it! Phew! Wow!
Transfer to the parallel universe is complete.
Oh, finally! My childhood dream came true!
Welcome to April 14th, 1912, sir.
I'm exploring the Titanic! Oh, my friends will be so jealous. Whoa, there's so much water in here, and it's cold.
Don't worry, your protective suit can withstand even the coldest weather.
Okay, I can't wait to explore everything around here, but I probably should go upstairs.
Wise decision, sir.
Oh man, just look at these amazing paintings. It's so sad to leave them underwater.
High-class craftsmen worked on this ship, sir. Unfortunately, its architect, Thomas Andrews, sank along with the rest of the 1,500 passengers.
Oh, that's so sad.
The Titanic had 10 decks in total. Move upstairs and you'll reach the first class.
What's this strange wind? Wait, is this a tornado? My history teacher hid this tiny detail.
We're in a parallel reality, sir. Here, the Titanic was destroyed by a super powerful tornado.
Ooh, what a twist! Whoa, it's much windier here.
I would suggest you run away, sir. The chances to survive such a tornado are extremely low.
Oh, okay, I think I'm done with this adventure. Can you take me home now?
No, sir. The time travel is preset. It cannot be changed.
Oh, stupid autopilot. But what am I gonna do? Whoa! I've never been inside a tornado. Cool!
And so have your hat, sir.
Whoa! Wow! Check this out! But what about the other passengers?
They were evacuated a long time ago. Don't worry, no one was hurt.
Oh well. Let's go home, buddy.
I'm starting the return procedure, sir. Get ready.